Good morning, traders. It's Thursday, June 11th at 4:18 a.m. All right, two stocks for you today. We've got ASTS and we've got MU. So let's go ahead and jump into it. These are the largest trades in the last month on ASTS. And you can see back here, May 15th, we had this consolidation of prints breaking above increasing volume. Great swing entry to the long side. We moved up with another million there between 105 106. We up thrusted, and then at the top here 2.1 million at the top, gap down to the prints, and then we started moving lower here, which is a shorting opportunity, but we've pulled back here. It looks like we're trying to find some support at this print inverted hammer, low volume yesterday, and then today we're moving up. So we can potentially get up to this 8 exponential moving average 15, and then I think this is a 20. And we see if we push up there, or if we break down, we can come down to these prints here. So let's map this out on both sides. On the left-hand side, we have our 5-minute with our person's pivots and Camarilla pivot bosses on the chart. So we're going to be bullish above 93.50. Let's get above this cam. We want this to be support, so maybe a break, retest, closing strong at least with no wick, increasing volume on it. Target 95.16, 97.50. 100, 101.14 is R3, and then I've got 102.50, and I stopped at 105. This is where we've got this 1 million print level, so we could probably maybe come up to there and maybe pull back, see what the institutions are doing. If they're buying still, then we'll move through those. Otherwise, this will be resistance. Maybe they'll pull it back later on to buy more. On the downside, we're going to be bearish below 87.50. Let's get in here. Target 86.77, 86.22, 85.68, 85.26. Then we've got 84.60 is a 300K print down here. 84.03, 83.20 is S2. Then we've got 81.33, 80, 78.87. is 1.4 million. That's the one down here. And then we've got 77.22 is S3. So look, this is tough on the retracement side. So you've got this pocket in here to trade, and you've got all of this support, and then this is the post market here holding this 300K print. And so just be careful of that in this. So the upside is definitely easier, but you do have a retracement trade, so we have no bias at all on that. Let's go ahead and look at this crazy one, MU. So MU, this one has a crazy ATR of $77. So it's about, what, 8% of this $1,000 stock that it can move. So let's look at the prints here. We've back May 13th, look at all of these here. They like the 600Ks, right? That's 2.4 million, 3.5, 4 million in this area. So we pulled back, increasing volume, moving up through prints. This is classic pulling back to buy more. Get the shorts in there, scoop up those shares, moving up. And then we have this consolidation here, right here at the top, 690K. We pulled back into this consolidation level. Now we're sitting there. So let's see if we can get above this and move up to maybe take this print again at 1048. We'll see. Otherwise, if we break below, we got some nice pockets to the downside on the daily chart. So let's map this out. We're going to be bullish above 940. We've got this person's R1 at 938.49. So 940, target 945.75, 575K, 959.67, 600K, 966.84. Then we've got 985.10. Then we've got 1,000 right here. Then we've got 1,025, 1,045.58. The 690K. 1059.33 is R3. So on the downside, similar, it's a little bit tight with all these pivots, cams, and moving averages. I've got my 200 exponential, 200 simple sitting here right at 900. So we're going to be bearish below 895. Target 888, this 590K print, 885.08, 878.27 down here. Then we've got 871.47, 864.26. Right down here is S1. Then we've got 851.05, 836.64 is S2, 816.92, and then 800. That's 600 K print here as well. So this, we've got this post-market and this almost 590K print here that could be support. This 200 simple, 200 exponential. Be very careful of that. We need a break and a retest and this to move down on that side. Right now, this looks strong at the moment. The 4 and the 8 have separated. We've gapped up, so just be careful there. All right, there you have it. Those are your 2 trade setups for today. So please like, share, and subscribe. Sign up for our weekly Dark Pool newsletter. That is in the description below. The link there, we do swing trading, comes out Sunday mornings for you to get ready. It gives you a nice watch list to watch stocks for the week. I think this is week 10 coming up. We've got a really good subscriber base on that, and I think you'll enjoy it. All right, happy trading, everyone, and we'll see you tomorrow. All new trade setups. Take care. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.